kay Chard muna, syempre. Ayan, bars na naman ko kay Chard ng microphone. Chard, tinanong din namin to kanina kay Jay. Di ba tatandaan mo, nung nag-contract signing, parang nasabi niyo yung mga, isa sa mga pangarap yung makasama sa ABS-CBN na maging co-actor si Gerald Anderson. Finally, it happens sa Blood vs. Judy. Anong say na parang medyo bilis, mabitin?
It was a great working experience, doing Blood vs. Duty with Gerald. Maayos yung naging takbo ng show namin dahil sa aming dalawa. Tutulungan kami, pag may suggestion yung isa sa amin, nakikinig naman. As in, wala kaming problema. As in, hindi kami nagka-problema sa set and, it was a good working experience.
Kay B naman, syempre, natanong ko rin sa kanya, kamusta pagkatrabaho sa trabaho and yung as kayo, as mag-partners, ganyan. Paano nyo na-differentiate yung work ninyong dalawa sa set? Kunyari wala kami.
Okay yung working experience din namin. Syempre, it helps na magkasama kami sa isang teleserye dahil syempre, same yung schedules. We get to know the people that we're working with. And we get to help each other also. Pagka, syempre, wala sa mood yung isa or may sakit or whatever, at least may maaasahan ka on set. Meron kang sure na kakampi. So, yun, na-appreciate ko.
May isa akong ganap with DJ, tapos parang nadulas ng very very light na parang sabi niya, nagpe-prepare na siya for the second offering of Incognito na nalabas naman sa mga balita. Kamusta yun, Chard? After ba nito, pahinga muna o diretso na agad sa paggawa ng Incognito 2 or maiiba pa? Sorry, I just need to ask this question lang para...
Incognito 2?
Yeah.
I think they started filming. Hindi ko alam, hindi ako updated. So, ako magpapahinga muna ako after this. But I'm not updated with what's happening with Incognito 2.
So kung ano man, aabangan.
Yeah, abangan nila kung ano man yun.
Dahil ito muna ang Blood vs. Judy.
Yeah, so...
Chard, kanina si Gerald na-mention din kanina na nagdi-direct na rin. Ikaw ba in-explore mo na mag-direct ng mga action?
Siya nag-direct ng fight scenes ko.
Oh.
Yeah. Dami na nang dinirect.
Pero bukod doon yung first mo, yung scene pa tayo, di ba, yung hospital?
Yeah,
Yeah.
How was
I did
the
a few
experience
scenes dito, hindi lang official na direct Richard, but I did a few scenes. I enjoyed it. I enjoy being behind the camera, and I work hand in hand with my stunt director, si Erwin Tagle. So we mount the scenes together and everything. So it's more of a team effort, di ba? I mean, minsan lang meron ka syempreng gustong gawin na passion mo or na-imagine mo na very clear. So, minsan talagang tutulungan kami.
Kasama rin dun sa stunt ba yung ginawa ni Senator Robin? Kasama rin ba yun?
Yeah, so yung eksena with Senator Robin na action scene, that was really an input from all of us.
Yes.
It was really a collaborative input na lahat kami in-enjoy namin yung proseso kung paano namin mapapaganda yung eksena. So, ang ganda nung naging camaraderie namin. Dapat makita niyo yung behind the scenes. Cut po, nagsusuntukan.
Kamusta yung pag-work? Kamusta yung pag-work kay ano?
Masaya yung naging experience namin.
Kamusta yung pag-work kay Robin Padilla? With Robin?
With Senator Robin, ang gaan ng feeling makatrabaho siya. Siyempre, nung dumating siya unang beses ko na naka-eksena, it's the first time na naka-eksena ko siya sa buong buhay ko. So, I'm grateful for the experience. Ang gaan niya katrabaho, siyempre pag pumasok siya sa room, isipin mo, senator natin siya. He's been in the action scenes, so many times. So, mayroon konting nervousness from the people around him, pero siya mismo nagpapagaan ng eksena.
Sir, since nabanggit niyo po yung political, no, mahirap po ba i-differentiate yung acting sa political? Lalo po kasi yung series is political. So, parang ano po yung experience na you're working with a senator, tapos yung series
Alam mo,
is
yun nga
political?
yung tricky situation na nangyari sa amin kasi syempre kinast namin si Senator Robin Padilla as Mustafa. I've always wanted to work with him. So, nung binanggit yung pangalan niya, automatic I said, let's do it. I want to work with Senator Robin Padilla. You know, all the political things, kung ano man ang nangyayari sa Senado, sa Congress, hindi yun ang gusto naming marating or may gusto kaming patunayan doon or anything, wala. We are artists, di ba? Senator Robin started as an actor and he missed acting. And sobrang bagay sa kanya yung role. And we're doing an action series, di ba? So, pag gines namin ng isang action king like Robin Padilla, honor sa amin. So, no hesitations, you know, kung ano man yung reaction ng mga ibang tao, syempre, hindi na namin control yun sa political side of things. Pero kami, as artists, we're trying to give the best show possible for audience.
You're an artist, tapos controversial ngayon yung AI. And ngayon din na pag-uusapan yung paggamit nyo ng AI sa Blood versus Beauty. What's your thoughts about that?
You know, thank you for this topic na at least early on pa lang ng AI na didiscuss na natin to you know, sa creative side and sa audience side and sa media side. Kasi ang AI, nandiyan na yan eh. We have to accept the fact that it's gonna be there for a very long time. And sa filmmaking, merong mga parts na maitutulong ang AI. Diba? Meron din, if you overuse it, it's going to question the integrity of the art. So, kami, sa Blood vs. Beauty, we used AI, but we used it to enhance the scene and not really na yung buong eksena AI. It's really just touches, isang pitik lang ng AI. Isang pitik na ganito to enhance it a bit, yung background. Kailangan namin linisin ng konti. You know, yung term na AI ngayon, I think is, you know, being overused sa filmmaking a lot, but that's actually CGI. Diba? Before, kami, we would use a lot of CGI to back up the scenes, to help the scenes, to enhance the scenes. But CGI is old technology kasi it takes a long time to do that. With AI now, yung editors namin, they can do things faster. But ako, honestly, ayoko rin na binubuo yung buong eksena ng AI. Diba? But, you know, sa atin, to be honest, sa way or system ng teleserye making natin dito, we need the help of AI to make things faster. Kasi we're always, you know, pressed for time. But, ayoko rin na yung buong eksena AI. Diba? So, we have to find that fine line kung hanggang saan natin gagamitin ang AI.